All right, we're about to catch swarm number 7 today. Caught 6 last night. Haven't had time to edit that video as well. But this is the 5th one in this tulip tree. We don't know what's attracting them to here, other than they got one hive right next to it. But we're about to catch these ladies.
It's because the flowers.
The flowers. Here we go. All right, so we're about to put some sugar water on them.
Yeah, that's Be Perfect or whatever it was.
Be healthy.
Be healthy.
They built right under a bird nest.
Or
What I'm gonna do now? Get a few limbs off of this. Addie. Back up a little, baby.
And they won't sting them, it's a swarm. I don't believe that though.
Right. You go. You ready?
Yeah.
About to give it a, gotta find a good limb to grab. You ready?
Yep, go. Okay, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Yeah, look at all those bees. Yeah. He has bees all over him. Oh, he just got stung.
Almost did. Now it's a waiting game to see if we got her or not. If they all go back into here. And hopefully they don't leave. We shall see. We'll come back in a little while.